Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify marketing attribution tables with segment exports, detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify marketing attribution tables with segment exports, begin by logging into your segment account. Navigate to the Sources section in the dashboard. Select the source from which you want to export data. Click on the Data tab within the selected source. Locate the option to download the export as a CSV file. Choose the relevant date range for your export. Download the CSV file to your device. Next, open the downloaded CSV in a spreadsheet application like Excel or Google Sheets. Review the first few rows to ensure the data is loaded correctly. Identify the columns related to marketing attribution, such as campaign, source, and medium. Check the integrity of the data by looking for any missing or inconsistent entries. Now, gather your marketing attribution tables from your analytics tool or database. Compare the exported data against the marketing attribution tables side by side. Focus on key metrics, such as clicks, conversions, and revenue. Identify any discrepancies between the two sets of data. If you find inconsistencies, investigate the source of the issue. Check for any data sampling or filters applied in your analytics tool. Review your marketing campaigns to ensure they are correctly tagged. Make any necessary adjustments to correct the attribution data. Document your findings and corrections for future reference. Once all discrepancies are resolved, revalidate the updated marketing attribution tables. Repeat the verification process regularly to maintain data integrity. Ensure team members are informed about the verified attribution data. Use the verified data to optimize future marketing efforts. Continue to monitor and update your data to ensure ongoing accuracy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.